Hello everyone, this is Chef Stas from Ask Chef channel. Autumn is the time of pumpkins and apples, and you can make just an amazing, beautiful, very tasty soup from pumpkin and apples. Are you intrigued? Let's go, let's start cooking. Peel and cut into a medium dice 1 kg of pumpkin, set aside. Slice thinly 1 medium onion. Cut 3 cloves of garlic in half and remove the core so that its taste is not so strong. Chop finely. Melt 60 grams of butter in a sauce pot. And sweat the onion and garlic for a couple of minutes. Then add a sprig of rosemary and continue to cook for another 2 minutes. At the same time, peel and cut the apples into thin slices. Add them to the pot and then put in the pumpkin. Pour 120 ml of apple cider into the pot and add the spices. Half teaspoon of nutmeg, half teaspoon of hot pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. Let the cider evaporate first, then pour in 500 ml of water or stock. At this point, a sprig of rosemary can be removed from the soup. Let it simmer over medium heat until the pumpkin softens. Then use a blender to turn the soup into a puree. Return the soup to the pot, add 120 ml of cream, add pepper and salt to taste, and let it come to quick boil again. The soup is ready and you can plate it. Decorate with olive oil, sprinkle with red hot chili pepper and finely chopped rosemary. Bon appetit! If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day!